Ollie, tell us how you feel about being stuck in traffic on the Poly Highway. Here we go. We got a bit of an accident going on here. The fire truck and the ambulance are here. Uh-oh. Bad news bears. Bad news bears. Ollie, guess what? We're moving again. We'll be home soon.